Did you know that your home might be harboring substances that cause cancer? That's right. A shocking statistic reveals that indoor air can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. So let's dive into this topic and discover what dangers might be lurking in your own living space. Welcome back, folks. Today we're going to talk about something that might make you rethink your living situation: hidden dangers in our homes. It's crucial to be aware of the potential health risks that could be impacting you and your loved ones. So stay with us as we uncover these sneaky risks that might be closer than you think. Delving deeper into the complexity of household risks, it's crucial to broaden our understanding of the dangers that often go unnoticed within our homes. Besides mold, which thrives in damp environments and can trigger a variety of health complications, from skin irritations to severe respiratory conditions, and in extreme cases, contribute to the development of cancer. There are other silent villains lurking. Radon, for example, is a natural radioactive gas that emerges from the ground and can penetrate homes through cracks and openings, remaining unnoticed due to its colorless and odorless nature. This gas is recognized as the second leading cause of lung cancer in the United States, after smoking, underlining the importance of regular home testing to mitigate this invisible risk. Moreover, exposure to everyday chemicals deserves special attention. Cleaning products, paints, varnishes, and even furniture can emit volatile organic compounds, VOCs, which, although they may go unnoticed, have the potential to compromise indoor air quality and negatively affect respiratory health and overall well-being over time. These compounds can cause everything from eye, nose, and throat irritations to more severe impacts on the liver, kidneys, and central nervous system. Concerns about indoor air quality are not limited to these factors. The presence of household dust, mites, and pet dander can also significantly contribute to allergies and respiratory issues. Inadequate ventilation exacerbates these problems, recirculating contaminated air and harmful particles inside the home. To combat these hidden risks, it's essential to adopt preventive measures, such as using dehumidifiers to control moisture and prevent mold growth, conducting radon tests, and choosing products with low VOC emissions. Additionally, improving indoor ventilation and maintaining a strict cleaning routine are fundamental steps to ensure a safer and healthier home environment. Therefore, by becoming aware and acting proactively against these invisible dangers, we can significantly improve the quality of life within our homes, protecting our health and that of our families. You might be wondering, how can hidden risks be present in our daily lives without us realizing? The reality is that we often neglect the air quality we breathe in our homes and the materials used in their construction and maintenance. Conducting periodic home inspections is crucial, yet it's not a common practice for everyone. Paying more attention to the materials used both in construction and cleaning of our homes can be a game changer for the health of the residents. Choosing paints with low levels of volatile organic compounds, VOC, and environmentally friendly cleaning products can significantly reduce exposure to potentially dangerous agents. The key is to adopt a proactive stance towards managing the home environment. Additionally, proper ventilation of indoor areas is essential to prevent the accumulation of pollutants. Regularly opening windows to allow air circulation and using high-efficiency air purifiers can be effective measures. Another important consideration is humidity control, as damp environments can foster mold growth, which is harmful to respiratory health. The choice of furniture and carpets also deserves attention, as some can release harmful chemical substances into the air. Opting for natural materials or those certified for their low pollutant emission contributes to a safer home environment. Moreover, implementing plants indoors not only beautifies the environment but can also help purify the air. Awareness of the risks associated with radon, a radioactive gas that can infiltrate homes from the ground, is equally important. Regular testing for radon detection can prevent dangerous exposures. In summary, the safety of the home environment is a shared responsibility that requires constant vigilance and the adoption of healthy practices. Investing time and resources in maintaining a safe home not only protects physical health, but also contributes to the overall well-being of its inhabitants. Taking control of the environment we live in is a crucial step towards promoting a healthier and happier life. Through education and conscious action, we can transform our homes into sanctuaries of health and safety. Discovering that the air quality we breathe inside our homes can be one of the biggest threats to our health is, without a doubt, alarming. The United States Environmental Protection Agency highlights this issue as one of the top 5 environmental risks, putting into perspective the importance of not underestimating the dangers that are not immediately visible. The air inside homes can be laden with contaminants that, although not perceptible to the naked eye, have the potential to severely affect our health over time. Among the most significant risks is the presence of radon, a natural radioactive gas that can infiltrate residences through ground fissures and accumulate to dangerous levels if not properly ventilated. This gas is colorless and odorless, making it a silent killer that is difficult to detect without the proper equipment. Prolonged exposure to radon is one of the leading causes of lung cancer among non-smokers, according to research. Besides radon, mold is another villain for indoor air quality, particularly in areas with high humidity. Mold not only damages the physical structure of homes, but can also cause a variety of health problems, from skin and eye irritations to respiratory difficulties and allergic reactions. The presence of mold is often an indicator of larger moisture and ventilation issues that need to be addressed to ensure a healthy environment. To combat these invisible risks, experts advise conducting radon tests and mold assessments by qualified professionals. These measures are essential for identifying and mitigating risks, ensuring that the home environment is safe and healthy. Additionally, improving ventilation, using air purifiers, and keeping the house clean and dry are recommended practices to improve indoor air quality. Therefore, it's crucial to be aware of these hidden dangers and take the necessary measures to protect your family's health. The quality of air in our homes may not be something we often think about, but it's a fundamental aspect of our health and well-being that should not be overlooked. To encapsulate the essence of our conversation, we addressed potential hidden risks within our homes, including, but not limited to, mold, radon, and dangerous chemicals. The emphasis is on the importance of adopting preventive measures to ensure the integrity of the home environment. Conducting routine inspections and carefully choosing the materials used in everyday life are crucial steps to promote a safe and healthy space for all family members. Awareness and proactive action are key to preventing health problems and ensuring well-being within the home. Your safety is our priority. Have you discovered any hidden risks in the comfort of your home? We want to know. Tell us everything in the comments. Moreover, if this content helped you become safer, explore more tips in our videos on home protection. Together, we can create safer environments. We appreciate your audience. For more insights and valuable tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our community. Click now and don't miss out on the news. See you later and stay safe.